Don't know how long we've got left, and so I'm asking you to forgive me. I learn as I go to float far away into silence and just watch your face and find some kind of grace in that quiet bliss. Can I stay and say nothing? Hell, hell. Where will we go when we get old? When the bustle and the noise get so frightening, when each and every angry word is banished to the past, that's when I think we'll learn as we go to float far away into silence, and now watch your face and find patience and grace in each line there. Walk each step, all for nothing. Hell, and the few words I said, they mean nothing. Hell, will you walk into the grave with me? Will you leave this empty world, soft and wistful, to sink into the dark